Not sure if you know this, but when we first meet, I got so nervous I couldn't speak.
In that very moment I found the one, and my life is found is missing piece. So as long as I live I love you, will heaven hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I cherish. You look so beautiful